Coupon and Crystal here with Walmart. I bought a haul, guys. I'm going to be burning up Walmart. I'm going to be blowing y'all up with rebates, okay? Just let y'all know, okay? Stick with me. Save some money. We got 2 shout outs before we get into these 15 rebates, all right? The first shout out goes to Mary Deptula. I hope I'm saying your name right, girl. She told me where to find the $5 farm bonus on Ibotta that was hidden in the household section of Walmart. I appreciate that so very much. I didn't have to look for it. I went on and activated it. Yes. And had to go do it on my lunch. Okay, had to do these rebates. I did half. Next, we're gonna shout out Sabine's phenomenal savings. She took the time to explain Shopkick to me, and that was just so coupon friendly of her. I appreciate you, girl. She is my new coupon friend, guys. Look at her. There go her picture. Y'all go show her some love, please, and tell her that Coupon and Crystal sent you. I would appreciate that because I'm be out of control now, okay? I'm be out of control. Okay, let's get into this haul, guys. The first rebate that I decided to do was on the Hungry Jack pancake syrup. Love this bottle. You can put it in your microwave, even though I have a huge microwave. But this is a good deal, okay? $2.84. Didn't have a coupon. Paid $2.84 in the store. Got back $1 from Ibotta. Final cost $1.84. It's pancake syrup. Pantry. Stock up. Y'all know I'm on this food thing. I'm trying to get all the food I can. It's about to be cold weather. Sometimes you have to just laugh at yourself when you mess up and they have to do the retake, but then I have to edit that out for y'all, okay? The next rebate I did was the no yolks. It was actually $1.78, no coupon, 50-cent rebate. Final cost $1.28 after the rebate. Good deal, guys. Good deal. The next thing I decided to do was the Swanson's broth. Now, I do believe the rebate says any, so you can do the carton if you want to. I did the can. I felt it would last longer and it was cheaper in price. All right. Actually, it was 98 cents, 50-cent rebate. Final cost 48 cents for the Swanson's chicken broth. Great deal for the pantry stock up, guys. Next is a repeat. I'm going to keep doing it because I can get these away to people. This is the Ready Pasta by Barilla. It's $1.68. I had the 75-cent rebate again, making the cost be 93 cents. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right. The next thing I decided to get was a repeat, and this is for my love bug, my husband. The Dove Men Plus Care shampoo was priced $4.34 in my store. There is a $2 coupon, however, that's in the Unilever insert. I used that. I paid $2.34 in the store. Got back a $1 rebate from Ibotta, making it be $1.34 for the shampoo. Great deal. The next thing I did, guys, was a repeat on the Pringles, okay? The Pringles are $1.48. No coupon, but there is $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the cost be only 48 cents for a great snack. Next thing that I got, I haven't done this one before. This is the Okios. Am I saying that right? Pro. It is some kind of 25-gram protein drink, okay? It is a caramel macchiato, okay? And I'm probably going to get it to my husband because I'm not a coffee person. So I just have the distinct feeling it's going to taste like coffee. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this. I have not. Okay. Now, it was $1.94 in my Walmart. However, the rebate is $1.84 and it's supposed to be free. Okay. But apparently my Walmart was overpriced by 10 cents. So instead of it being free, it's actually 10 cents. I may just do a ticket with Ibotta to see if they'll give me my 10 cents. Okay. Don't be saying it's free if it ain't. I'm going to try it. What the heck? I know one of my lovely people told me they did that about a rebate. So I'm going to try it and see what happens. All right. The next thing that I got, guys, I thought was quite interesting. Okay. The Celestial Seasonings tea. Okay. Now, this particular one is actually the energy tea. It's a black tea, okay? Yeah. Now, check this out. This thing has got 95 milligrams of caffeine, okay? As much caffeine as a cup of coffee. I think that thing gonna have you bouncing off the walls, okay? I'm just saying. All right, in my store, they were priced $2.38 for a total of $4.76. Okay, now the rebate was buy one, get one. Okay, so it was taken off $2.49. Now, there is a 50-cent coupon contained in the 1011 Smart Source. However, I only brought one in the store like a coconut head. And I just refused to walk back to the darn car for 50 cents, okay? So if you guys decide to do this rebate, make sure you get two 50-cent coupons. So instead of paying the price of $4.26, okay, that I paid, you in fact would pay $3.76 because you would have $1 coming off. There is a $2.49 rebate. So my cost was $1.77, but yours would be 50 cents less if you use the two coupons, which would be $1.27 for 2 boxes of tea. That's a good deal. If you're not a tea person, gift it to somebody. That is going to be a great holiday gift for somebody. I'm just saying, you're going to put it in a pretty little, thing, basket. They're going to like it. They're going to be like, oh, they thought of me. Yeah. All right. The next thing that I got, guys, I had a time trying to find this freaking item. What's this daggum Impossible Burger? Okay. I had the hardest time trying to find this stuff. Have you found it in your store? I had to get somebody to help me find it. All right. The Impossible Burger, it's made from plants. Look at this stuff. It looks like freaking meat. That's crazy, okay? Look at that. Quite interesting. We are going to have burgers tonight just because of this, okay? Y'all know my husband doesn't eat beef. He doesn't eat chicken. He eats seafood. All right. So the Impossible Burger was actually priced $7.94. The crap is expensive. All right. No coupon, $2 rebate, final cost $5.94. I had to have our bottom money to pay for this because, I just probably wouldn't have bought it if it wasn't a rebate. Okay. I'm just saying. The next thing that I decided to get was these little cookies. And I think it's Schar. Am I saying that right? SCHAR. I think that's how you say it. But whatever, okay? It is a gluten-free hazelnut wafers. All right. So it was $1.62 in my store. It's attached into a rebate that is actually giving back $1.75, making it be a 13-cent moneymaker. It's a gluten-free product I got, guys, was my Dove deodorant. I was glad the actual rebate reset for me today. So I got it again, and it was $4.88. Had a $1.50 coupons.com coupon that I'd already printed, but I don't think it's still available, guys. So I had to pay $3.38 in the store. Now, I do believe on Shopkick there is 20 some kicks when you scan it in store. So make sure that you scan it in store. And there's also 250 kicks that you get for uploading the receipt, which is the equivalent of $1, right? I do believe. Y'all know I'm new to Shopkick, so y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe that's equivalent to $1. Okay? Like I know. And the rebate is $1.75 coming back from my bottle. So after the rebate, $1.63. After the 250 equivalent dollar Shopkick of $1, it's like I'm getting my Dove for 63 cents. That's a good deal. Y'all know that's a good deal. Don't hate. Y'all know I will be out of control with this Shopkick. I'm just telling y'all. Prepare you. Had to get the Axe because this is a great deal. This is a big bottle of Axe body wash, $4.95. I still had another $1.50 coupon. See, that's my strategy, guys. When I see high value coupons on coupons.com, I print them because you never know what's going to come of it. I'm just saying. That's a good strategy to have. All right, so I paid $3.47 in the store, $2 Ibotta rebate coming back to me. Final cost from a body wash, $1.47. Great price. I don't mind putting this in bundles. That's why I keep doing it, because the men buy the bundles. They see the acts, or the wives buy it, and it's a good product to put in a bundle. Okay, the next thing is the Nivea body wash. This is a great deal, guys, because we have a $3 off of 2 coupon. Okay, now for the Nivea, $3.76 in my store. I purchased 2. You can do it twice because the coupon is 3 off of 2. So $7.52 for the 2 body wash combined total. $3 came off in the store, so I actually paid $4.52. I got back $2, $1 for each one, making the cost be $2.52 after the $2 worth of Ibotta rebates, guys. I got so much Ibotta rebates in this room. It's crazy, guys. The next product, guys, Rimmel. This is a bronzer. Natural bronzer, okay? It was actually $3.97 in my Walmart. I did have an any Rimmel coupon that took off $1, so I paid $2.97 in the store. Got back $2.40 from Ibotta, making the final cost be 57 cents. I think it's a pretty color. I don't know. We're gonna see. I might use it. I might try to put some on my face somewhere and see what I look like. Don't know. The last thing that I did, guys, the last rebate I had to do, the I can't believe it's not butter. I did it again. It's priced $2.68 in my store. No coupon, $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.68. Now there is, I do believe, $2.98 for another version like the regular one, but I wanted the cheaper one, so I got the one with olive oil, which is a tad bit, few cents cheaper. Good deal. Now let's run down the numbers of all this lovely Ibotta rebate goodness we got behind me, okay? Woo, guys, a total of $53.36 for all of this product, okay? That is before any coupons came off. I had a total of $9.50 worth of coupons. All right. So after the $9.50 came off, that dropped my cost to $43.86. Now let's discuss the rebate money that I got back, okay? Which was amazing. All right. I got a total of $21.98 back in rebates. That was amazing. Plus, in my bonuses, I got $7 back in bonuses. I got $5 for completing the farm bonus, for doing 15 rebates. And then I got back $2 for completing the October level 3. I think I'm on level 3. Level 3 bonus, which was for doing 25 rebates. So, you know, when the stuff lines up and those rebates overlap each other, you're doing like 15 rebates, but it's still applying to both of those bonuses. I love that with Ibotta, guys. All right. So all of that coming off was $28.98, coming off of the $43.86 for a final cost of $14.88, guys. For 17 items, 88 cents an item. Amazing, amazing haul. I'm also feeling Ibotta, guys, and I'm going back and I'm going to do some more rebates tomorrow because my all laundry detergent reset, that huge jug that I did yesterday that I've done twice, that has those double rebates that's attached to that one product, making it be 90 some cent for an 88 ounce bottle of all. Doing it tomorrow. Doing it tomorrow, guys. Just letting y'all know. So I will be pushing out another Ibotta haul on tomorrow, guys. You got to ride the Ibotta wave. You got to ride it when they got good rebates, okay? Because it won't always be like this. So you got to get it while the getting is good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope the rebates were helpful. I will make sure that the Google document is below so you guys can take it to the store, bring it up on your phone, have a great shopping experience. And if you are not using Ibotta, I encourage you to do so. You can use my referral code and go get you some good stuff. And then come back and let me know, okay? All right, guys, that is it. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.